And that past chart of the day cafe pick that I wanted to flag for you here is Royal Dutch Shell, ticker symbol RDS.B. We're looking at the 5-year monthly chart. You can see that it sort of bottomed here in 2016 and has been in this beautiful uptrend since then. It's up and over this trend line that I've got drawn in here. It had a bullish month last month, so now I want to get into this area here. But note the wedge pattern, and I see a lot of value in the energy area. When I say value, you know me, at Chart of the Day Cafe, I'm all about the scores underneath my charts. I'm super strict about the fundamental scores underneath. So what I'm looking for is value, growth, and dividends specifically. So I'm going to move it away from the 5-year to the 1-year weekly. It was my Chart of the Day Cafe pick here back in the middle of July when oil looked to be bottoming and hitting my trend line. So sure enough, it bounced from there. I talked about it again in a video here, and I actually mentioned it not too long ago, thinking that it might perk up in this area. So it's come back in to retest my area of support. So I just wanted you to see that big picture look on the weekly. Now I'm going to move it away to the daily. So we talked about it here, I talked about it here. The reason I'm really focusing on this area is because of the scores underneath this one. So it's bouncing around my area of support. For me, it's all about price being up and over the blue. So I want to see price move up and over the blue, and I know everyone has their own way of doing things, but a simple way is I want to see the pink over the blue. So we already have that, but if I zoom in, you can see it's just in a squeeze formation here. So the pink moved over the blue here on this candle, March 21st, and it's been kind of wonking around. If we have a strong day today, I'm expecting a strong candle here and a resumption higher. I do not own Royal Dutch Shell, but it's one that I will be circling and looking for that bullish look. So I'm going to take away my circle here and redraw it over here and say, keep an eye. I would be looking for price to move up into this area. Again, as a reminder, I'm all about value and growth. So I checked the scores on Royal Dutch Shell this morning. Still has a really nice high value score. A current forecasted earnings growth rate going forward of 25%. A PE of 14.05 and a dividend yield, and this is what I love, of 5.85%. So value, growth, dividend, liking Royal Dutch Shell in this area. Also want to mention, for the full review that I did on Royal Dutch Shell, you can go back into my video library. I took a look this morning. Royal Dutch Shell reports earnings towards the end of April 26th, I think. But I wanted you to note as well that it comes into this period of seasonal strength. This is the A shares. I couldn't find a chart for the B shares, but I would think that they would be pretty similar. So Royal Dutch Shell is a reminder chart. Should the bullishness in the markets continue through the next few days, I will be taking a look at this one.